In this episode of I Tried It, I'm going to test this side hustle that claims that there is a brand new way to make money online simply watching YouTube videos. So what we're going to do is I'm going to set up the process for you. I'm going to show you step by step how to do this and if it works for you. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn if this method is worth your time, energy, and effort. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. As I mentioned, we're going to test this side hustle. I'm going to give you a brief overview of everything that they want you to do. I'm going to talk about how much money I've made, if I've made any money, and potentially better opportunities. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So basically, this original video claims that there's a brand new way to make money online just watching YouTube videos. And in this process, what they want you to do is they want you to hop over to YouTube and find viral videos. You are then going to take those viral videos and you are going to create a Shrink Me account. And within the Shrink Me account, you are going to create basically a URL redirect. And then you are going to take that URL redirect, you are going to put it into Linktree. You're going to create a Linktree account. And then eventually you are going to end up putting this thing on Pinterest. So that is the entire process summed up in about, 30 seconds or so. So let's go ahead and talk about this. What I did is I just went in and I typed in funny like this, hit enter, and then I sorted by views. Okay, the theory is behind this method is that these viral videos get so much traction and attention that if you just create Pinterest pins and then you put them over on Pinterest, people are going to naturally want to view them. So I sorted by view count. And if we take a look here, this second video, must watch new funny video, you can see that is what my Pinterest pin is. Basically what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to download this thumbnail, and then you're going to take the link and put it into Shrink Me. Now, Shrink Me claims on its front page that you would get paid $220 per 10,000 views. Now, it's not as easy as they lead you to believe. If you go over to payout rates, you're going to see this number changes vastly. So if we look at this, for example, $22 is in Greenland. How many people are actually in Greenland? If you know the exact number, comment down below. More likely, you are going to get one of these lower rates. Look at $3.50 worldwide. If we look at this, United States is $8. Now, I went ahead and I did the math. Now, feel free to check my math if I'm off. But if we look at this, $220 per 10,000 views comes out to 0.022 cents per view. That's important. That's stuff that you want to make sure that you're aware of. So if you want to make $1, you would need about 46 views. Now, again, make sure that my math is correct. It should be correct, but make sure that that's correct. So that's if someone from Greenland clicks on your link. Okay, the US rate is $8 per 1,000 views, which comes out to 0.008 cents. In order to make $1, you would need 125 views. And the minimum payout on shrinkme.io is $5. So basically, you'd be looking at about 600, 700 views if you want to make the minimum payout. All important stuff. Now, here's other stuff you have to remember. If we scroll down to the bottom here, it says, why view statistics earnings are not counting. Viewers must be unique within 24 hours. So you can't have your friends and family watching clicking on the same link over and over again. Must view your page for at least 10 seconds. That's another important thing. Visitors must have JavaScript enabled. Visitors must have cookies enabled. Visitors must reach the destination final page. All things that are very important. Must view your page for 10 seconds. Visitors must reach the destination final page. That's why a lot of these methods don't work. Two reasons why they don't work. Most people will see this kind of filtering thing that happens and they won't hang around for the 10 seconds or they won't go to the final page, which I'm going to explain in just a moment. Very important. Okay. So if we look at this, I'm going to go over to my link here and I'm just going to copy this. If we copy this and I paste this in like this, this is the link that they're going to get to eventually. Do you think that you would hang around for this? Quite honestly, do you think you would do this? We know that there's so much scammy and spammy stuff on the internet. So let's say, for example, you get 1 million people on Pinterest You get 1 million people on Pinterest to click on your link. They eventually will get here to this page. Do you think people are going to click through and install this Adobe Flash Player and all this other junk? The answer is no. So your conversion rate is going to be lower. Your conversion rate is going to get even lower if you send people to a Linktree link, because every step that you make people take, you're going to have people dropping off. Okay. So if we look at this, we'll go to my Pinterest pin. They see this pin, they want to watch a funny video. That's not what really Pinterest is about. They see this, they click on the Linktree. Okay, they go to the Linktree, and now they've got to click on another link. When they click on another link, they see this original page here, which seems really scammy and not what I was interested in at all. I want to watch a funny YouTube video, but now I'm seeing shrinkme.io. I'm seeing all of these different pop-ups. If put yourself in the consumer's shoes. If you are a consumer that wanted to watch a YouTube video and got here instead, would you click through? The answer should be no. Some people are going to say, yeah, I would. They're lying to themselves. But what I recommend that you do is be honest with yourself and say, no, I would not click through to this, okay? You also run the risk of losing your Linktree account because this isn't, the best traffic. So there's a lot of issues, as you can see here, with this. Here's some other reasons why this method will not work for most people. You have to upload at least 10 Pinterest pins per day. That's from Pinterest, okay? Pinterest is a search engine. Nobody is searching for must-watch new funny videos, okay? You have to create content based on what people want to know and what people want to learn. And no one's coming to Pinterest to watch funny videos. Pins should be keyword and SEO optimized. For example, to find keywords, you can come up here and type in, let's type in beauty, and you can see beauty hacks, beauty secrets, beauty makeup, skincare, and so on. These are keywords that people are actually searching. So if we do beauty hacks like this, beauty secrets, like this, we click on that. And these are pins based on the keywords that people are actually searching. This is a better way to do Pinterest. Pinterest isn't like the other social media platforms. Pinterest is actually all about helping people solve a problem. Okay? So that's another thing that you must remember. And quite frankly, the math doesn't add up. As the young kids say, the math ain't mathin'. If you go over to shrinkme.io and we look at the payouts, you need a substantial amount of clicks. And I don't even want to click on any of this stuff, but you need a substantial amount of clicks before you get a decent amount of money. If we look at my ShrinkMe account, so now I'm even having problems getting to it. If we look at my shrinkme.io account, I've made $1. They give you $1 just for signing up. I've earned no clicks to this. I've had no people go to my Pinterest pins. So this method will not work for you. Don't waste your time trying to do this method. Okay, this is going to be a waste of your time, energy, and effort, and this is going to lead you to be frustrated because you feel like this method should work. Even though this is an easy method, you are going to be wasting time creating Pinterest pins. I cannot be more clear about this. Do not try this method. A better way to go, if you want to use Pinterest and you can be successful with Pinterest, I actually uploaded a full-length video about this last week or 2 weeks ago. But what you'd want to do is start with Pinterest, find keywords. Then you can go to Canva and create Pinterest pins based off of those keywords. The next step is either to send them to your blog, send them to a landing page, or your YouTube channel. Don't send them to affiliate offers directly. Pinterest doesn't like affiliate links, so if you can send them to a blog, a website, or a landing page, a YouTube channel, you will be successful with Pinterest. Okay, and it takes at least 10 pins per day. I recommend that you upload closer to 20 or 25, but start with 10 pins per day. You can use Tailwind to help you schedule those pins so that you're not constantly doing it. Now, again, I uploaded a full-length step-by-step Pinterest tutorial. I'm going to link that down in the description to help you get up and running the right way. So this method does not work. It will not work for you. Even if you look at the comments in the comment section, people are saying that they haven't made any money. You will not make any money doing this. Okay. Let's see if we can even type in funny. So if we look at this, you can see all these people, very low success. A lot of these actually are videos right on the platform and not necessarily sending people over to a YouTube channel. So now that you know that this method will not work, click the first link in the description for free affiliate marketing planners. Those planners are going to help you plan and organize your affiliate marketing business so that you can make more money online. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for your free planners today. Watch this video next because YouTube says it's going to help you grow your online business.